So, okay, like as we know, ServiceNow is a cloud-based technology. So, cloud means like we can access everything through internet, right? And the same way, ServiceNow is going to provide a free instance for everyone, like like it's for a devil, like for learning standpoint. So they are going to provide free instance to everyone, like whoever is having the mail. So based on the mail ID, we can access that particular instance. For individual people will get individual instance, so that we can work on that same instance for a practice. And parallelly, I'll show you how the real-time instance looks at some time. Okay. So you can see, guys. So if you want to create the instance, today we'll work on how to create the instance and what are the functionalities inside the instance and how we can, where we have to develop and where we have to learn the things. Everything I'm going to explain. Okay. Today you can see this instance creation. You can see, guys, if you want to create the instance, just open the Google, type developer.servicenow.com. Developer.servicenow.com. Go to developer.servicenow.com. You can put it here. So developer.servicenow.com. Here you can see. So you have to sign up with the mail ID you're holding now. So sign up and start billing. So initially we have to sign up. So you can see we are having some mail ID. I'm going to access this. So I'm going to create the instance with this mail ID. So the password should match this criteria. And just and click on sign up. Okay, you can see, guys, once you sign up, a ServiceNow ID has been created for you with the mail ID. This application requires to verify your mail. Okay, so you are going to get one mail from ServiceNow. So let's wait. We'll get some mail. It takes some time. So we'll get mail from ServiceNow. So you can see, guys, we got the mail from ServiceNow. Just open the mail and click on verify email. Once you verify it, it will ask for a login. Just click on login. Okay, here you have to log in with the mail and the password you've mentioned while sign up. Press sign in, and you can see once you sign in, so you have to select yes, I need developer oriented ID. So we are going to become developer. Just we need a developer oriented ID. Just click on this S and click next. And here you have to select designer, developer, whatever you want to, even one checkbox also enough. And I have read and agree the ServiceNow developer terms and conditions. Just finish setup. Okay. And after that, you can just click on request instance. Request instance. So we are browsing it. This will take few seconds.
मैं लेग दिया तुझे मैं तुझे लिया
Okay, like this way we can access our, like we'll get some free product. Free product we'll get from ServiceNow to practice only. Okay. So like if you don't open this for 10 days, it's again, it will like it will wipe out from the database. You cannot access. Okay. So generally it will go for a sleep. If you don't open for 10 hours, it will go for sleep. You can wake up. That is okay. But if you don't use for 10 days, it will wipe out. You again have to mm, take that instance back from ServiceNow. Okay. That is why this instance will, because these are unpaid products. These are not paid ones, so that it will behave like that. For the paid products, so that won't go out. So because every year they're going to revise the payment. Wait for this time setting up instance. This first time only you have to do like this. So next time you can directly, so you will get instance ID and password directly, you can open every day. So only for the first time you have to sign up and sign in. So next time you will get the URL and user ID password so that you can directly log in.
Uh,
Yeah.
Hi, Ajay or Mano.
Yeah, I'm, yes, Deepthi.
Yeah, I have a small doubt. I have created this ID and password as you said very long back, and after that I didn't use it. So now when I'm trying to log in it, it says request an instance.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yes.
and when I choose that request an instance, it says choose
Wait
your
list.
release. No, no, it says choose your release like
You
um,
can choose Tokyo.
Tokyo. Okay,
Tokyo you can choose and you can select, and
okay.
it will be under maybe sometime under wait list.
Yeah, it says this will only take a few seconds. Okay.
Yeah, like if it in the wait list, you can generally you will get a mail. So after getting the mail, you can access the
Yeah.
instance. So let's wait. If not, like in the meantime, so I'll open some other instance which is already we are using for some other.
Even we can access with multiple emails um, uh, for this developer login.
Sorry, even we can.
Access with multiple emails, like I have registered with my company email ID. So,
Yeah, you can do that.
mm,
You can access multiple instances. You will get multiple instances.
okay.
Okay. Let's see, guys. So if that instance accessed with the mail ID, so generally you will see it's not coming. So sometimes database may be busy, so you cannot. It takes some time. So let it take some time. So we'll work on the another instance which I am using for another batch. You can see guys, generally, so once you get the instance, you can see the UI like this, and you can see the start building. So this is the way you will get. So once we get the instance, and here, if you click on here you can see, so manage instance, password, everything. And here you can see the URL, username, password. So with this, you can log in every day. You don't need to sign up, sign in. Like, so generally, if you have this URL, with this URL, you can enter the username and password. So this is a way you can easily access the instance every day. For the first time, you have to register and sign in. Okay. Or like once you open this one, you can, if you click on this one, start building, if you click on start building, so automatically instance is going to open. So, okay, so this is a ServiceNow instance. So instance, not incident. This is a ServiceNow instance. Okay, here we have to do whatever, like for the next few months, we have to work on the same instance. Like, so whatever the development you want to do, you have to do from here only. As we said in the demo, so like we can access ServiceNow instance from three interfaces. This is platform. This is a platform interface. Okay, this is a platform. If you want to access the portal, there is one more interface, that is portal. So just copy the instance number and open beside, just slash type SP, just SP. If you enter slash SP, you can see this is a portal. Okay, this is a portal. This is a platform. Okay, and one more thing is mobile. This we have shown you in the demo. One more thing is in the mobile also we have ServiceNow application is there, apps. So in our Google store we have app, ServiceNow app is there. From there also we can access, but generally these unpaid instances will not open. Only the real time client instances you can open in the mobile app. Okay, these are the three interfaces we can access the instance. So like this is a platform, this is a platform, this is a portal, this is service portal, and one more thing is mobile. Okay, generally platform is a place where we can do all the configurations. We, whatever the developer activities we are doing, everything we have to do from the platform only. Okay, so portal is a place where you can request, you can see. So if you want to request something, you can request something, and you can access the knowledge base. If you want to raise some incident, you can click on get help, and if you click on get help, so you can see, so you can change password, like different, create incident, you can create the incident. So these are the things already built in ServiceNow. If you want to request something, just click on request something. And here you can see different items are available. Okay. So you can see many items are available. You can open particular item and you can order. Okay. This is a way ServiceNow has built. Okay. This is platform. This is portal. Okay. There are a lot of things are there. We will know slowly. Okay. We will know how to access different things, different icons, what are the purpose of different icons, we will know slowly. Okay, so you can see guys, so generally all is nothing but, so here this is, if you click on all, you can search anything, all in this, all you can see all applications and modules, like if you want to go for incident application, you can see, if you type incident, you can see incident application, this is application incident. If you click on here, so under application, we have many modules, many modules. So incident is an application. These are modules. Okay. So whatever you want, like this type problem application and modules, and type change application and model. If you want to navigate to anywhere in ServiceNow, you have to go from this all. So this all, you have to click on all, and from here only you have to access the location in ServiceNow. It may be any location, maybe any table in database. If you want to do any configuration, if you want to write any script, so whatever you want, you have to do from this all activity only. Okay. So you can see there are many things are there. Script. If you want to write some script, you can write a script. So all things we have to access from this all only. Okay. And next thing, this is a favorite. You can see, guys, this is a favorite. Favorite is nothing but like here in the all, if you select this favorite, if you select this favorite, you're going to see this in the favorites. You can see the self-service got favorite. So all of the applications and modules are visible in the favorite section. Okay. And here it is history. Okay. History is nothing but where we have navigated previously, complete in ServiceNow. What are the things we opened? Everything we can see in the history. Okay. So this is admin. Here you can see the workspaces. That is not required now. I'll tell you slowly. Okay. So like with these three only generally we are going to work. So mostly we can go for all and we can open particular application and we can navigate. Okay. And this is a global search. Generally this is a global search. Whatever the things, like if you want to go to directly to that particular record, let's generally I want to open some incident. What I'm going to do, I have to search incident, and in the incident application I will click on open. I can see some data in the incident table. I can open that particular record. If I want to open this INC 10032 record, I have to go like this. So generally, if I already know this record number, okay, I don't need to go to incidents, type all everything. Just search here and press enter. So this is a global search will work like this. So directly we can open that location. Understand? Guys, did you understand? This global search. Global search is the place we can search complete database with the accurate keyword. With the accurate keyword, we can search in entire ServiceNow database. Is it clear?
Yes, Ajay.
Okay. And here we have different options available. We'll slowly you can understand this application more, like update sets, and this is like the person who has logged into the service now. So you can see that person logged in user. We can observe here, like he's a system administrator. He is also one user in this instance. That whoever is logged into this instance, we can see this person here. Okay. It's okay. Now I'll show you some things like how the things were already built in ServiceNow. We need to see that. Okay. If someone want to raise an incident, what he will do? So generally companies will provide this URL. This URL. Just open the service portal and go to get help, click on get help. And if they come down here, they can see create incident. If they click on create incident, you can see. So this is a way users generally will raise the incident. Okay, whenever they raise incident, you can see he's going to submit the incident. So from the portal, okay, this is a way one user has raised a ticket. You can see this is the incident number. Okay, like it is going to store in the ServiceNow database in the incident table. Okay, I came to the platform. In the platform, what happens whenever ticket is raised, they are going to open some table. You can see that incident is appearing. So somebody is raised from the portal. Why my Wi-Fi is not working? This is the incident we have raised from the portal. So generally what happened that service desk people will come. Service desk people will come to the instance and they'll open this ticket. So they will read the short description and description of a particular ticket. So based on the ticket description, short description, so what they will do, they will assign to particular department. Yeah, this is a Wi-Fi ticket. Someone network team should access this ticket. So they are going to. So let's imagine. So there is some network related group. Okay, I don't see any network related group now. So let it be some. So I'm going to assign some team. Okay, as of now, we don't have particular group in the out of the box instance. They are going to assign to particular department. Okay, whenever they assign these people, like part of this group people are going to get the notification the ticket has been assigned to your group. Okay, so what happened next? this group manager, this group having generally group having some manager. The manager will come to the incident and they will check the bandwidth of their group people and they are going to assign to some particular person. We cannot see any people here. This is a dummy data, right? We don't see any users available in this group, and generally they'll assign to particular user. So whenever the ticket is assigned to particular user, what happened? He is going to come to he is the responsible person to this ticket. He has to resolve this ticket. Okay, so whenever the user is assigned, like he will check that instant and he will contact this caller. So, hi sir, what is your issue? Where you're working? What is in which floor you are in? And like so, after communicating with this user, they're going to resolve the issue. They're going to meet, or if like wherever the possibility way, they're going to fix that issue. So once the issue is fixed, they're going to resolve, and in the resolution information, they're going to keep some resolved. So something like they're going to prove. So some whatever matches, they're going to add some resolution notes and they'll save it. Done. This is the way the incident life cycle will work. So after resolve, so this person also get the notification your incident has been resolved. Okay, so once he get the notification, he can see he can check the Wi-Fi connection is working. Yeah, all looks good. Start. Is it clear? I mean, this time just showing the process, guys. So like whatever we discussed in the demo, I'm just showing how the things are working in ServiceNow. Okay, so we need to work on different developer ways. So developer techniques, administration techniques that we have to work on. Okay, so like we need to create tables, we need to create these choices, we need to create so different notifications, we need to create the particular these timelines. You can see this time 8 hours. We need to fix this timeline. SLAs we need to create. We have to write some code. We have to make the fields mandatory. So these are the things we have to learn. But as of now, whatever I demonstrated, that is what I'm showing. Is it clear? Do you have any doubts?
It's clear.
Okay. Okay, so and next we'll work on instance creation is done. Portal, and you can see. So this is a request. In the same way, we have request. If someone wants any item, they can particularly open that item from the portal. In the same way, they will order. So this is a request, right? Something it is asking some attachments. Let's add some attachment so that it is asking some. Let's order now. Okay, so we have order and we have to check out. So once we check out, it's going to create some request. You can see the request has been created. So like whenever request is created, so like we should go to platform, and here you can directly search the request number. So this is a request number. So once the request is created, some approvals are going to generate, and just after approving, you can see the requested item will generate. This is a tracking ID of particular item. So in this RITM, you can see the stages we can see department head approval. It's waiting for the stage. And if you come down here, you can see some approvals. And generally, this is going to automate. I'm showing everything, but user will just request and leave. The things will be automated automatically. Then the notifications are going to trigger to particular users, and it may be a manager for approval. It may be some department approval. It may be a group approval. So it will trigger automatically. The process I'm showing. So these are all the things we are going to develop in the future. Okay. So once it's triggered, and you can see some other approval also generated. So once it is done, once the RITM approvals are done, it's going to create one catalog task. catalog task is a place where some people are going to assign to this particular task. So these guys are responsible to fulfill this particular task. I mean, it's like that laptop delivery, everything they have to take it. This assigned to person has to take care. So no user is there as of now. So once the ticket is assigned, this task is assigned to particular person. He is going to fulfill.
Ajay, we can able to view the users also, right? How many users are there?
Yeah, we can see. We can
Okay.
we can see everything. I'm just showing the way how the
How
service now.
it works.
Yeah,
Okay.
that is what I'm showing. I'm not started any concept today. Today we just created. So whatever I've demonstrated, I'm just showing in the instance. Okay. From tomorrow, probably we can start by creating some user accounts, some group accounts, from roles, how user is going to administrate the service now. That's what will start from tomorrow. So today I'm just showing what is the things inside ServiceNow. Okay. So once the task, so this is not incident, this is a request. Request process is different. Request is going to generate, after that requested item is going to generate, and in the requested item, some task is the place, the final delivery. Like we can see in the Amazon, what we'll do. So we will order multiple items. We will order multiple items in one order, single order, maybe, or single item. So first order number will generate. For every item, tracking ID will generate, right? So in the tracking ID, what happens? Like in the tracking ID only, they are ended up with the two things only. In the end, they will assign to some delivery partner. So delivery partner come to our home and they'll deliver the particular item. The same way here, the requested item is a tracking ID, and the task is the ticket. It is going to assign to particular person. He is going to deliver that particular product to the whoever requested. Understand? So once it is done, they're going to change the state to closed complete, and they will fix it. That means that's delivered. Is it clear? This is a process for request. So mainly portal and platform. Portal is a place where users can actively, like looking for a, like they don't want to, this platform is only mostly for the developers. Platform is mostly for the developers. So this portal is a place where users will raise the tickets. It may be request, it may be a incident. They're going to use, they're going to do from the portal only. Platform is a place everyone will see whatever the tickets are created, how can we assign based on ticket description. Here some help desk people and like so the fulfillers will actively work on the platform, and developers, everything developer is going to develop from the platform only. Okay. Any doubts, guys? Do you have any doubts?
No, Ajay, as of now.
Any others, guys?
Okay, sir.
Any doubts? Even if you're Telugu, no problem, you can ask the doubt in Telugu. That's okay.
Hi. Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
So once again, can you explain that is the incident? So which group has assigned to that?
So you can see generally what happens. So companies will configure that instance. Okay. They'll give the user accounts, they'll give the login credentials of a different users. So whenever they're facing an issue, what they'll do, they'll go to the portal, they'll go to ServiceNow portal. Okay. This is a ServiceNow portal. So /sp. This is a URL company is also going to provide to the users. They can log in, and from the portal, you can see get help. If someone facing any issue, they can click on get help. So what happens? like they'll see different options. They want to create an incident. Just click on create incident, and they'll keep the urgency, like how much urgent it is. So if it is urgency high, just erase some ticket. Is raising some ticket. My laptop is not working. Just submit. He will submit the incident. Whenever it is submitted, it is going to create one incident number. So you can check that incident, like generally, that this is a user activity. User just to raise the ticket, he will leave. He will leave the ticket. He will go. I will do his works. He will come to service now. He will raise the ticket. He will go. Okay. The remaining things are going to automate. Next. Someone raise some question. So we can see. So we have the incident has been created. So what happened next? The same incident is created in incident database. So we can check the database here. You can see this is the incident application. If you click on open, you can see all tickets in incident. So this is just raised. Generally, the service desk people will open the ticket. Okay, they'll open the ticket. So they will read this short description, everything. And what happens? They'll go to, so they'll assign this laptop related issues are going to handle by some particular department. They know this department is going to handle the tickets. So what they'll do, they'll assign the ticket to particular group. You can see, let it be hardware. If it is hardware, so they are going to assign ticket to hardware group. Okay. Once it is assigned to hardware group, all the people part of the hardware group get the notification the ticket is assigned to your group. Okay. This group having some manager. Generally, every group have some manager. So here it's not showing. So this group manager will come to the incident and they'll look everything and they'll assign to some person in the group. Okay, this David is free now. He's having enough bandwidth to handle the ticket. He will just save it. He will save it. So next, David get the notification. The ticket has been assigned to you. Please start working on this ticket. Whenever ticket is assigned, if you come down, the timer is going to start from here. You can see the 1 day, 4 hours. The timer is, so he has to he has to finish he has to resolve the issue in 1 day, business time left. Okay. And after that, what happens? He will contact the particular caller. Caller is the person who raised the ticket. Caller is the person who raised the ticket. Whenever caller raise the ticket, he will contact this guy and he will take all the inputs where he is facing exactly issue. And so after fixing the issue, he will keep the status resolved and he will update some notes how he resolved and like something like whatever meets resolved permanently and he will save it. That's done.
You're going to send this recording, right, Ajay, after this class?
Yeah, we'll go to put everyday recordings. We can share in your drive.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the way the things will happen for the incident management. Understand? So generally user will just raise the ticket, he will leave. You don't need to worry about that. Okay, he will get the complete communication with the mails. Your ticket has been commented by someone, your ticket has been assigned to someone, ticket has been closed, this ticket has been resolved. Okay, everything he will get the clear notification from ServiceNow. Communication with the mail. Okay, that you will know how to create the communications also. Will tell you in the future. Is it clear?
Yeah, it is clear.
Okay. Any other doubts? Okay, guys.
Does
Tomorrow.
administrator requires any coding?
Yeah, definitely. It's need like So if you want to configure, so there are different forms are there. So if you want to configure these forms, if you want to configure some portal level modification, you definitely need a coding skills that we are going to train you, and that also we are going to train you. Okay, everything, you don't need to go, like, you don't need to look for any outside thing. Everything complete course you will get, even coding skills and JavaScript related skills, everything we are going to train you is part of the training. Okay, the course will be like this. So initially we are going to start with administration. So probably it takes for 3 to 4 weeks, 3 to 3.5 weeks, and so JavaScript for 2 weeks, and development for 3 weeks. Okay, 3 weeks, and some in the middle we have some project also, and integration will be covered. Integration for 3 to 4 classes. Okay, understand? This is the way the course will be completed. Okay, guys, that's it from my side today. If you have any questions, we'll see. Otherwise, I would like, anyway, we have less time, so that we'll start the new concept tomorrow. If you have any doubts, we'll discuss.
And the proper concept starts from tomorrow, right?
Yeah. Today, I just
Okay.
shown you how to create the instance, and whatever I demonstrated, I've shown you in the instance. And we need to build this process. We need to do modification, how to do the modification, how to do the customizations for the instance according to the client requirement. That is the way the training will go, because it's a developer training. Okay,
Right.
whatever the skills required, that we can project you. And even I've added the course content also in your drive. So we got the instance, so in your drive we have added the course content as well. You can check the course content also. So all the concept, whatever you're going to train, like, we are keeping here. You can check the course content is. And you can share whoever, like, just share your mail IDs in the WhatsApp group, so that our team will add it to the drive, so that you will get everyday access. You hope you will get this drive, ServiceNow Online 24. This drive you will get in your shared with me, and you can check once you provided with your mail ID. Okay, here inside you can see the ServiceNow recordings and documents. And generally one more task will be added. Tasks also will be added section.
Ajay, I have a question. Will you help us out with the certifications also?
A certification, like, we will guide you. Like, if you purchase the voucher from ServiceNow,
Okay.
like, we will guide you how to crack the certification and how to prepare.
Okay. And what is any idea that what is the cost of the certification?
So I think it's $250 that you guys have to purchase from
Okay.
ServiceNow. And if you're working in a company which is a partner to ServiceNow, you will get free.
Oh, okay.
Okay, if it is ServiceNow partner, you'll get a free
Okay.
certification voucher.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, that's it from my side. Yeah.
Thank you, Ajay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So you can create the instance, guys. You can create the instance.
Okay.
Okay, you can post your email ID in the WhatsApp group, so that our team will add it to the drive.
Sure. Okay.
What recording also, right, Ajay?
Yeah, recording also will get in the drive. Just to provide your mail ID in the WhatsApp group, so that we are going to share this drive to you.
Sure, sure.
Okay. Thank you, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Probably we have a 1 hour class every day.